Hey, it's Daps here. Welcome to this YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you join me in this one. You know that having a reputable hosting company is very central to the success of your website. And your website is also very central to the success of your business. So compromising on quality hosts is compromising on the success of your business, your venture, or whatever it is you are doing with your website. So in this video, I want to walk you through my first experience using one reliable hosting in the hosting space. Talking about no other hosting but an hosting called JetHost. These guys have been around in the hosting space for decades, and it's my first time trying to use them. So I really want to feel my experience. I want you to see exactly what my experience will look like using them, and this might just be everything you need for your website. So whether or not it is, let's experiment and let's check it out together. So without further ado, let's go to my screen and let's continue this tutorial. Alright, so on my screen here is JetHost. We will leave a link to JetHost in the video description. You can check them out, but it's at jethost.com. Fantastic. And currently it's Black Friday season, and you can see here there's a code for you to get 85% off on all hosting plans. So you might want to check that out. That's something very, very fantastic. In case you're seeing this video right now, this is a fantastic offer. And if this is gone at the time you're seeing this, any other offer available on JetHost, we'll leave it in the video description so you can check them out for you to be able to get amazing deal here. So if you come to their website here, you see they have hosting specifically for WordPress. Let's open this in a new tab. Let's compare them. They also have web hosting. Let's open this. Domains in case you want to, AI website builder, and this sincerely tickles my fancy. So if you are looking to also make more money, they have affiliate opportunities here too as well. Fantastic. So this meets mostly the requirement of a very, very good hosting. So let's check them out. This is hosting for WordPress, fast, reliable, future-proof hosting for WordPress. All right. So what are you going to be getting? You're going to be getting free domain and website migration. Super awesome. Free smart AI builder for WordPress website. Oh, I think I like this. Should I be checking this right now, or I should just check their AI website builder entirely? Launch your website smarter. AI power. Okay, let's come back here. Let's just see what they have. I'm going to make up my mind eventually which route to go. Whether I should try this or I should just use their AI website builder. But this tickle my fancy that their WordPress hosting have free smart AI builder. I'm really passionate about WordPress, and I really would love to see what their AI is able to do. So maybe I'll be experimenting more with this. This is tickling my fancy. So if you come down here, you can see their plans. 1.99 per month. Fantastic for you to host one website that can do up to 15,000 monthly visits. They have 10 gigabyte cloud NVMe storage. Awesome. Free domain, free SSL, free content delivery network. One free backup a week, and also you can download it, and then you can have up to 5 free email accounts, 24/7 support, features for WordPress, jet speed performance for WordPress. Wow. Direct WP admin, one-click WordPress install, one WordPress site cloning, light speed cache. Wow. This is literally everything you need. WooCommerce support. Oh, really? And they have, I think the basic difference between these is just in the amount of website you are able to use this. The next plan is the WP Start, rather not Smart. And then this is priced at $2.99 per month. You are saving up to 80%. Apparently, this is the best time for you to invest in a plan. It's Black Friday season, Cyber Monday season, lot of deals here and there. So if you are seeing this video now, come up here and come check this out for yourself. And one of the things I would like you to note when you're trying to buy an hosting plan is for you to understand that there's such a thing as entry fees and also renewal fees. That's extremely important. You must know this because this is peculiar to every hosting out there, not just 1, 2, or 3, all of them. So for example, if you come here, even though I told you the first plan is at $1.99 per month, if you pay, you would be renewing at $8.99 per month. Yeah. So if you pay now, you will pay 23.88 for 12 months. And the regular price should be 119.88. And that's the reason why I always recommend that when you want to buy an hosting account at entry point, make sure you go as high as possible so that you can enjoy the entry fee. Imagine if you are able to get an entry fee that you can buy a duration for 4 years. 3 years, that's good. But if you do 1 year, after 1 year, you are coming back to the real amount that this is priced at, which is 8.99 per month. For these, which is the WP start, you'll be renewing at 10.99 per month. 25 websites up to that, and 30,000 monthly visit, 25 gigabyte of cloud NVMe storage, 3 free backups per week. You can see all of this. I really don't want to go through all of this, but this is what this is priced at. But the best value for your money is your WP Maverick, and this is priced at 5.99 per month, and then $21 per month when you're renewing, right? So that's it for their plan. You can come check this out. So the next one here is the general hosting, which is just web hosting. So this would allow you install any kind of website you want, not necessarily WordPress website. Beauty about WordPress hosting is that it is designed specifically for WordPress, so that it will help you improve the performance of your WordPress website. So let's check this. Let's see if there's any difference. Literally almost the same thing. So one website, 25 website, 100 website, good stuff. AI website builder, launch your website smarter. I love this, and I was really hoping that I was going to just do a tutorial on this, but I changed my mind. I would work first with WordPress, and maybe subsequently I would be checking this. I'll be seeing exactly what is the difference between that and this. I want to see if they're able to give you another content management system that is fantastic, that can replicate what you can do with WordPress, or if this really just integrates with WordPress. I really don't know what's there. I really would love to know, but I'll be experimenting with this. Like, this is the first time I'm trying to attempt to use JetHost. So let's come to the affiliate program. So you can see you can earn up to $150 per sale, 10% recurring revenue, 90 days cookie duration. That's extremely important. But I'm not sure. I have an idea. Maybe their cookie policy is first or maybe last click. You don't know how that works. Maybe if you read more, you're going to see more about that here. What that means is if you refer someone first or refer someone last, which one would they honor? So it's possible that someone click on your link and click on somebody else's link. So yours first and the other one next. So which one are they going to honor? Is it the first one or the last one? If you come down here, I want to believe that you are going to be able to read more. I don't want to waste time just jiving or going through all of this. Let's just come here to their hosting for WordPress. Let's work with the W Start package or plan. Let's choose this plan. Let's see. Let's experiment with this. The next step is for me to choose a domain. You know that this gives you the opportunity to get a free domain, and you can also use your own domain name. I think that's good. Let me just search a random domain name, seoklen.com, and let's check this if this is available. All right, this is available, and I'll be getting this for free, but this is regularly priced at $13.99, right? Good. So now let's continue this. All right, so this is where we get to choose our hosting billing cycle. Remember I told you about entry fees, and how you can enjoy it to the barest minimum is for you to buy as high as possible. And anytime you come to an hosting account that gives you access to buy up to 3 years on their entry level pricing, that is a very reputable hosting. Trust me. I know what I'm saying. Most hosting will not give you the opportunity to buy at best 2 years because they really want you to exhaust that and then now pay for the recurring fees. So you can get this for as high as 3 years. And that's what I tell people who have minimal budget. You want to buy once and just grow your business in 3 years before you think of trying to buy another hosting account, right? So that's literally up to you. But they say from here that the best value for money is their 2-year plan, which is billed every 2 years and it renews at $9.99 per month. Yeah, but right now you can pay 2.99. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go for the 1-year plan. Note that this is just a tutorial, right? Then I get to choose the location of my server: USA East, USA West, EU, Frankfurt, and then Asia. But let's just leave it with USA East, and then let's continue this. Okay, so the next step is domain configuration as hosting. Whatever that means, let's continue this. Okay, yeah, the registration is for 1 year. That's good enough. And then if you come here, you would see your review, and then for you to check out. For this here, I am registering this for 1 year, and it is $131, and my domain is literally free for the first year. And then I have this new service discount at $96, so I can literally buy this for $35.88. How super cool is that? So right now I'm going to pause this. I'm going to try to check out, and then I'm going to continue this tutorial. Awesome. So you can see order place, and this is my order here. Log into your client area. Let's just continue to client area. All right, my dashboard is here. I have one service, I have one domain, I have no unpaid invoices, and that's good. And you can see hosting for WordPress that we just bought here is here. cOcklen.com is active. Good. I have a manage button here. Okay, so this is where I can log into my cPanel. I can log into webmail if I want to create my email, and then manage. I don't really know what's here in the manage. Let's check this first. Really, let's see what's there. Okay, so this is where I get to see my disk space, my bandwidth usage, and this is where I get to see my name servers and my IP address. That's good. And again, from here I get to see my file manager. Okay, so that means I can literally manage my file from here without going to cPanel. Okay, or this is just linking out to cPanel. One moment. This request is being verified. Let's see. Okay, so cPanel loading. All right. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is my file manager here. I think this is super cool and awesome. I can really get to manage everything I want to do from here. So if I want to create emails, this is where I go. If I want to take a backup, PageLayer, you can see everything literally from here. I think I like that. Let's come to our domain. Let's see what we have there. Maybe I should close the pages here. That's not relevant. For my file manager, let's close this too as well. So I have this domain name here. Let's even click the domain name. Let's see what we have. Good. So you can see we already have our domain name here. Has a JetHost landing page. You're all set. From here, you can go to your control panel, and you can see that we have SSL already generated for us. Connection is secured, right? So you can see this. This is super awesome. So now we can literally just close this up. So I think this is super awesome. So we can come to WordPress management from here. I don't even know what that is. Let's open that up. Let's see. I'm just taking my time to peruse the platform for us to be able to see. Okay, new WordPress website. So I can install WordPress website from here. That's good. Unlike going to cPanel alone, from cPanel I want to believe that we can use Softaculous to install WordPress. Let's experiment with this. Let's see what this would work with. There, HTTPS, the domain name, I need to type that here, and then my site admin. Okay. Let's close this. That's super impressive. I can install WordPress directly from their dashboard. JetHost, fantastic stuff there. Is there anything that is tickling my fancy from the services option here? Let's manage this. I really just want to see everything I can literally do from here. So I can log into my webmail and create emails. It's as even simple as coming here. So let's just say I want to create info@ciockmedia.com. I can then maybe add the password. And then I can create this. All right, email account created. Oh, that's beautiful. So how do I access my email? See a link from here. not here. Let's just come to email account to see. All right, so you can see my email account is here, and from here I can check email. All right, yeah, they use RunCube to manage their emails. This is good. I can integrate this with as many apps as possible as I want to. So you can see, select the device you use, Apple, iPhone, iPad. You can switch to Android. You are not sure, that's good. You can configure this with emails, calendar, contact. Apparently, if you're using RunCube, if you have used it before, you know that this is just how it works. Very, very fantastic. I can open the RunCube web mail from here. You can see my email is here. I can begin to send emails just like that. This is super, super awesome, right? All right, so now let's come back. You can see how super simple it is for us to do that. You can also set autoresponders. I think that's fantastic. Let's just go to our cPanel directly. Let's open it up again. Let's see. So this is where we can begin to manage everything using our cPanel, right? You can create as many cPanel accounts as possible, or you can give your team to access the cPanel and directly not go into JetHost, right? Okay, so from here you can see our email section here. This is the file section here, database, domain. You can manage your domains from here too as well. This is where you get to see your site metrics. This is where you get to see security. You can also see your SSL and TSL certificate from here. And this also have Immunify 360. That's fantastic. But most importantly here, let's come to Softaculous app installer. This is where we get to install WordPress. Right, so I have some featured WordPress plugin. Let's close this. I would want to go that route. Let's install WordPress. And one thing, I don't know why Softaculous does this and just putting this in a directory. It's just crazy for you to put this. I should be the one to choose a directory for myself. If I'm not really if I really don't know much, I will just install like that, and then my website will be loading /WP. Does it make sense? So this is where we get to choose the version of the WordPress that we want to install. This is the latest from here. This is where we get to put our site name. I can just say Sioklen. Let's just see WordPress mastery. Right, admin username. This is where you get to put username and password. I can just use username as dapps. I would like to hide this and then type in the password. Good. There are still all these plugins here: AI assistant onboarding, the pro version, cookie consent banner, backups pro, improves page speed. Okay, so this is the AI assistant that we want to use. Maybe we'll just follow the lead. And file manager too. File organizer is a plugin that helps you manage all files in your WordPress site. Okay, I don't even have the option to select this. Okay, I can. That's beautiful. You can select language. English is good for me for this purpose. And also you can enable multi-site in case you want to have a multi-site, right? That would be something I can do in subsequent tutorials, but for this is just good. Let's install this. I can also put an email there for me to get notification, but I think this will be instant, so there is no need sending emails. All right, so our website is ready. Let's come to the front end here and let's refresh this. Let's see if we can see a WordPress website. Oh, fantastic. This is fantastic. So far, so good. Yeah, so let's come back here. Softaculous, let's go to the dashboard. This should automatically log us into the backend. Oh, good. We're already in the backend. This is Softaculous onboarding us. All right. So this is where we get to start using AI to build our website already, right? Sioklen, choose a category. What category? So what kind of site am I designing? Is it business, e-commerce, sport, coming soon, web design, real estate? All right. This is good. I can just find something, let's say web design. Let's work with that. Use AI to generate content. What's your website about? Okay, so let's just paste something very random here. See, okay, it's a global WordPress service. So let's just use this. Let's create description using AI. Let's experiment with that. Okay. I really can't tell what has changed there, but this is good. Let's just get started. Okay, it's asking for my number. Let's just do something very random here. Address. Right. No need for that. Let's continue. What are you looking to achieve with your new website? We'll help you install plugins that will help. I'm not selling. I don't want this. Send email with SMTP. No, I don't want to do that. Increase website traffic. SEO. Okay. Improve speed. Limit login attempt. Cookies. File manager. Page builder. Schedule backup on local or remote server. Okay, let's continue with this. Let's see. Okay, we get to select our images here. So these are random images. We can also upload our own image, which is good. And then we're going to see our selected images from here. This is, I can see from here, these images are from Pexel. So let's select random images here for these are just random, please feel free to, but these images here are not web design related, so this is not really a good one, right? If I really want to design my web design business or agency business, I would never be using these images. I'm just imagining in my head what prompt or what keyword is generating this image. Very weird and very unusual. As you can see, I can't even find images to use. Oh my days. Yeah, has come here to stay. There is no going back. There's nothing we can do about it. We can only use it to get better. But this image generation here is not good enough, in my opinion. Nah, this is not good. Okay, so but what would be good is for you to upload your own images. Unfortunately, I don't have any image I want to use, so maybe I'll just select. It's recommended here 10 to 15 images, so I've just selected just 3. Oh my goodness. Wow. And I don't have option here. Okay, this is where we're seeing WordPress design. Maybe I should just change this to web design. Perhaps I'm going to see more relevant images. All right, so much more. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Maybe this. Maybe this. This. How many images have I selected? Now I have a bunch of images here that I can use. Or is this my internet connection? Or I don't know. Let's just select random images from here. I think all of these images here are good enough. So I have 14. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this. Right, good. What am I supposed to do from here? Click selected images? I don't know. Okay, there's a continue button down here. So let's continue from here. Okay, I think this is where we get to choose our WordPress theme. Okay, so what theme is this? Oh, these even themes are customized. You can see Learn. Oh, fantastic. Really? Wow, just hovering around this, can scroll down, we can see this. Oh my goodness, this is good. Wow. This color is a little bit weird. Let's check this. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's see this. This too is super awesome. Option 6 is good. Let's just work with this. Let's see more. But the logo here is not aligning. Something is not right here. The button here might look too big. I don't know. Oh, okay. These are the pages. Select pages to import. Apparently, these are just 4 pages. There's not even service pages here. Oh, that's not good. Let's go back. Let's see more. Let's see more. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, this look more beautiful. Let's open this more to see. Instantly generating this is good. Now this have a service page. More like it. Yeah, more like it. Okay. I think this is not bad. We can work with this as a base theme, and then hopefully we can edit this going forward, right? On page, I just hope this is going to import everything, because it look like I can only toggle one at once, but I have this selected here. I don't understand what these are for and what these are for. I really don't know. But again, let's just import this theme and let's see that. Building your website, checking the requirements. All right, so fingers are crossed. Let's see. All right, but this is absolutely beautiful. So you can get to design your website without even needing to pay a developer, just using JetHost, using AI. Amazing. I think I like this. Okay. Template installed successfully. Visit website, WordPress dashboard, assistant. I don't even know where to go from here, but let's go front end from here first, and let's refresh this. Let's see what we're gonna get. Oh, awesome. And then I can continue by just maybe changing the logo, and just like that. With just a base prompt, you can see website development, WordPress maintenance, ArcSite, expert. Oh, I think this is good. This is not bad. I can change images here if I want to, and pricing here. This is a little bit weird and awkward. I can redesign this myself and meet the theme. But why this space here a little awkward again? AI will always be here, right? Accept all. So I have this site SEO. Okay. I want to believe that I'm able to see that because I am logged in. Anyone who is not logged in would not be able to see that. I want to believe that. So let's just save changes from here. Okay, this is taking me to the back end entirely. Can close this. This is how I get to edit this page. Oh, this work with native Gutenberg. That means this will be fast. Wow. Edit with page layout. Let's experiment with that. Let's see what that will look like. Oh, wow. And now we have another page builder here. Something more like Elementor. Is this where I get to edit on a live website? Let's allow this. Okay. Oh. Edit. It looked like I can change the text from here. Wow. This is good. Apparently it's still loading up. This is super awesome. Good. Let's just say custom WordPress design. I like this. Let's come down here. I can see tabs. Workflow. Wow, this is good. Do I have options to element or widgets I can easily drag and drop? I'm just curious. There's a plus button here. Oh, that's it there. Title, rich text, quotes, list, icon, badge, tooltip, animated heading. Oh, having access to this for free is fantastic. That's good. Let's come here. Let's see what we have here. So if I click into this, customize, history and revision, navigator, help, keyboard, shortcuts. Okay. Let's close this. All right. So this is where I get to see the widgets. Oh, beautiful. I'm impressed. Let's come to settings. This was where we were earlier. And if we come to advanced, this is where custom fields can be used to add extra metadata to a post that you can use in your theme. Okay, I really want to even go back and check what theme are we using. I need to check that. So please permit me, I'm trying to get myself acquainted with this. This is pretty much new. This is my first attempt, but I think I like what I'm seeing. This has a lot of potential. I don't need to buy WordPress theme, fancy plugins. I have pro plugins literally for free for me to use based on my needs. That's redefining hosting. That's redefining web hosting or WordPress hosting, so to say. And I think this is good. So let's close this up. Okay. Awesome. This is the page. This is published. Author, the permalinks. This is where we get to change the slug. Featured image. So we need to delete this and add our own. Discussion. Yes, we might want to allow discussion. Page attribute. Oh, good stuff here. And if we scroll down here, let's see what we have. This is where we begin to choose the responsiveness of the page for us to see how responsive that is. So you can see how this will look like on a tab. Okay, not bad. Maybe it can be improved. Let's see mobile. Let's see how this would work. Pretty much something that we have on tab, just that this is a little bit smaller, which is good. We have a hamburger menu here. Okay, you can see the behavior. Awesome. So preview changes, history and revisions, and then this is the navigator. Oh, good. So the navigators is built into rows and column. Oh, fantastic. This is good for easy sorting. If you have used any page builder before instead of WordPress, I'm not sure you will spend a lot of time figuring this out too. Just the same way I'm figuring this out at just the first attempt. Let's switch this back to web view. This is fantastic. Let's close this. So this brings us to the widget PageLayer Pro. Okay. This is the first time I'm using this. This is the first time I'm even seeing this. I never knew there's a page builder called PageLayer Pro. Whether this is owned by JetHost or this is an outsourced page builder, I can tell. I'll probably be researching more about this page builder, but I'm quite impressed that this is working with default WordPress builder and also can be edited, isolated like this. Is quite very fantastic in my opinion, really. I think this is good. So we get to save, right? So okay, if we come down here, we can update whatever changes we make. Page content updated successfully. All right. Is there a link to view apart from preview? I'm not sure. Let's come here. So maybe the only way to preview is just to close this, close and return to admin panel. Okay, I don't have options to close and go to the main page. I don't know how that works. Let's come here. I've been here like a million times and I keep coming back here. Forgive me, I can be like that. Let's close this and let's see what that behavior will look like. So this definitely has brought us to the back end, which is good. Not too bad. Let's come to appearance. Let's come to theme. I really want to see what theme is installed for us. Popular FX is the name of the theme. Usually I love to delete themes like this from my website. I like to make it clean. I can delete 2025, but I like to leave just one theme here as backup. That's personally for me. I really don't know for you what works, but we have quite some plugins here. Let's see the plugins that have been installed for us. Akismet, not activated. We can delete that. This is backup. Okay. Backuply Pro. Okay, the free version. And CookieAdmin, this is the free. This is the Pro. File Organizer, the free, the Pro. Email SMTP, the free, the Pro. Wow. Loginizer, the free, the Pro. PageLayer, the free and the Pro. And Popular FX website template. Let's come to the site, and then we have the site SEO. We have the Pro Tools, Soft WP. So this was responsible for building the WordPress like we did earlier. So we have Speedy Cache Pro. These are plugins I would love to spend more time on, because this is my first time seeing most of these plugins here, in all honesty. And I've been doing WordPress for 10 years now, and I am seeing majority of these plugins here for the first time in my life. I really want to spend so much time on this plugin to see. One of the things I would love to do from here is to even test the speed of this website. That's extremely important. Let's do page speed insight. We can paste the URL here, and then let's analyze this website. Let's see what this website is doing in terms of optimization. Okay, so mobile is not doing very well in terms of performance and also accessibility. Our first contentful paint is 3.1 seconds. That's terrible. We need to fix that. Apparently, those images there are not well optimized. And then second one is at 6.8. Oh, that's crazy. Let's check. You can see desktop is quite good. It's loading in just 1 second. So we need to spend time to optimize our mobile, right? So a lot of few things we can do to improve our stuff there. Maybe let's even check from mobile. Let's see what the recommendations are. Render blocking request, improve image delivery. You can see font format, font display. These are things we can easily improve. I can see CSS here, give. Okay, I can see a JS here, JavaScript here, another CSS. You can see these are things we can really improve to improve the speed of our website on mobile. Image delivery. So if you look at the image, you can see them. The image might just be taking time to load. You can see them cropping images and doing all this kind of stuff is really not helping our mobile responsiveness, performance and accessibility. But you can see everything is good on web, right? So these are some of optimization we can do more, but I think this is good just like that. I really don't know much about these plugins here for optimization for cache, like Speedy Cache Pro. I really don't even know what functionalities they have. So I have Speedy Cache here. Let's check this. We can analyze this score from here. Let's see what's saying. This is taking forever to analyze. I don't know why that is. Trust me, I can spend another 2 hours just perusing this and checking all the features here. All right, so the performance is saying 64. Somewhere close to what we have here on Page Speed Insights for our mobile. 69, and that's saying 64. So we can see that is not far from each other. So we might need to do some optimization further here. Let's come to cache. Enable cache. Definitely mobile override. Disable desktop cache. Display on mobile device. Mobile override. Disable desktop cache display on. I really don't know that. Mobile cache. Definitely preload. Definitely select preload interval 2 hours by default. Maybe that's good. Let's leave that. We don't want to serve logged in. We don't want to serve cache to logged in users. purge vanish. Okay, cache lifespan 24 hours, not bad. Run the exact time to delete front and gravatar too. You can also do that. You can save this. I'll need to spend time here to optimize this website. By default, here is minifying HTML and CSS. You can also combine CSS, critical CSS, but definitely you will need to check this if this is not breaking your site. This is extremely important. Stuff here can really break your site. If your site is broken, just come back here and toggle them back off, right? Combine JS, delay JS when needed, like Google Tag Manager. You can see all this kind of stuff. Submit this. Disable emoji, lazy render HTML element. You can submit whatever HTML element you have from here. Let's close this. And once you're done, you can save settings. I legit need to check right now if this site is not broken. So let's come back here. Let's view this in front end. Okay. Nothing's broken here. This is good. From here, I think there are two elements here lapping on each other. We might need to solve that error there. That's not good. So there's a lot of things we need to do here to clean up, but overly impressed by all the pro plugins here available for us to use. Exclude settings. This is where you get to exclude certain things. Preload critical images. Definitely this would help you improve the speed of your site. Instant page, improve page speed. Okay. Edit speculative loading. Okay. Instant page and speculative are similar to this feature. You should not use them together. Okay. Let's close this. Let's do instant page. DNS prefetch. Okay, you can put certain URL there for you to prefetch them. Preload resources, preload content. Oh, there's a lot from here. And also for our media, we can definitely do lazy loading. That's extremely important. Let's submit this. Image dimensions. You can see there was an error there about the dimensions of our image. Add dimensions of the image to reduce. You can see that. Gravatar cache, locally host gravatar. That should improve the speed too as well. Local Google front. Let's just improve front rendering. Let's save this. You also have option here for object cache. I've skipped content delivery network, CDN. Oh my goodness. To enable object cache, oh, I think this is good. You get all of these things by just buying their hosting plan. Oh, that's impressive. Let's come to CDN. I might need to spend more time on every of the feature here, one after the other, for me to show you the best settings, the best practices. Enable content delivery network in case you use Cloudflare, which is good in case you have visitors in different locations coming to your website. A CDN would just be ideal for you. This can work with Cloudflare and also Bunny and others. That's good. Image optimization. Yeah, we also get to do this for free. Optimize it all. Yeah, images are really connection timeout. Okay. Something went wrong. Okay. Well, this is still continuing. Wow. I just hope our website is not broken. I hope everything is fine, but everything really that you need to have an awesome website is here for you. Really. This is done successfully. This is good. We can close this up. All done. And then automatically optimize whenever you upload a new image to your website. Okay, this is different. That's optimized on image upload from here. Whenever users visit the website, there are images that haven't been converted to WP. then the images get converted. Oh, wow. These are good. You can see the images here. Wow. I'm usually not the kind of person that gets impressed easily, but I think so far I'm impressed with what I see here. Bloat removal. Oh my God. I'll need to learn more about this to really know exactly, and then we can optimize our database too as well. This is pretty much new, nothing really to optimize here. Post revision, clean everything, and we have some transient here. This transient will be important for the optimization of our website. Even if we run it, it will come back, I want to believe, because this is a pretty much new website, right? And then settings, we can also delete cache, we can import and export settings. Oh, this is amazing. It's amazing. All right, that's my experience trying this. There's a lot of features here. File organizer, we can begin to organize our files. This gives us access to server files, so we can manage our files from inside WordPress. This is what this is about. It's a good feature. It's fantastic. Nothing really spectacular from here. There are a lot of file manager plugins in the WordPress repository that will do exactly just this. So I think this is good, but you can set some user restrictions, user role restrictions, and some other settings from here. What do we have? All right. Nothing spectacular here. And then we can go some SMTP route here. SMTP setting. This is where you get to choose whatever email provider service you want to use. Mailgun. You can see AWS is here. You can also use Gmail in case you want to send your emails using Gmail. You just want to have good email delivery option. That's good. We also have Loginizer here, so we can visit it from here. This will help us secure our website. So we have reCAPTCHA, two-factor authenticator. We can black or whitelist IP addresses. That's good. So if we come here, we'll be able to see our dashboard for Loginizer. Attempt is just one. And we also have our backcopy, our CookieAdmin. This is where we can get to set things. This is enabled. This is what's responsible for that. So that should come somewhere here. Okay, this is for site SEO. So this plugin here is this site SEO, right? That's another fantastic plugin we need to check out. So I'll spend more time here debugging this. Let's just save this. But this should also have a button here that closes this, but it doesn't really do have, and I think that's not really very good. Even though I like the feature here that from here directly on the page, you can begin to set your focus keyword. You can check the analysis to see your keyword density, social media tags, keyword in permalinks. These things here are red, so these are things we need to fix. Meta title, meta description. We can see the things that are working as the nofollow, meta robot headings. You can see, but structured data, things are not structured here. No structured data there. Internal link, nothing. Outbound link, nothing. And you can see SEO analysis. We can switch to title, so you can see how this would display in the search engines. And also we can come to social. You can see what this will look like on Facebook. We can also switch this to X or Twitter for us to see how that will display. Advanced. Okay. We can also set redirect if we want to. Fantastic stuff there. But I would really have loved that there's a place here to close this. Maybe it's not displaying. I don't know why that is. But again, this is my first attempt. I'm going to be trying this more to see how this works. So this is it here, the plugin from backend. We can toggle on and off certain things like social network, image SEO, instant indexing. So this will ping Google and Bing to quickly index your content. That's impressive. So if you are a local business, you can toggle this on and then do some settings for local business, video, sitemap, Google News. Oh my God, there's a lot here. I'm overwhelmed. I just feel like just spending time here, just perusing and just checking this out. But I'm blown away. I just can't cover everything I'm seeing here in a singular video. For every of these plugins here, I need to spend time going through them and maybe doing dedicated videos, tutorials for them, just showing you how all of these things work. But so far, I think everything here is worth every little penny you invest in JetHost to manage your WordPress. I'm very, very impressed with their AI builder. Also very impressed with some of the pro plugins here that is available for you to use. Pretty much. Very, very impressed. Finally, let's come back here. Let's refresh this page. I'm not sure I've even checked out what the entire design of this page is. Let's come to the about page. Let's see that about. Okay, this is not bad. Services. I've not even spent time checking how to customize the header, the footer, and all of those things here. There are just quite a lot of things here that we might need to check. Okay, all of these things are not linking. Yeah, the services. We might still need to create more pages. Can AI do that for us? Can AI create more pages for us? I'm not sure. There's anything like AI from here that we can use to create stuff. Let's come to pages. Let's come to all pages. Okay, still not a bad one altogether. So let's come to appearance. Let's come to customize. Let's see. This is where we get to manage the header and the footer. You can see we already have header, footer, templates, and pages. So this is the header. This now loads page layout for us to customize our header. You can see this. So this is where we get to maybe change this to a logo if you want. Okay, this is super awesome. I'm surprised I'm able to figure this out real quick instantly. So if you have been working WordPress, you'll find this a lot easier and amazing. That's good. So let's close this. I really don't want to spend time customizing this. So you can customize this and save this, and then you have changed the header. So we'll come back here. You can do this for home header. There's a separate one for home, footer. You can also get to design your template pages, like the blog template. Did I even get to see what the blog looked like? Let's see what the template looked like. Oh, this worked like a loop builder? Really? Or maybe I'm wrong here. Let's see. I get to be able to edit this. Archive post, column 2. So I can switch this to 3. More like that. So I have my row, column gap. Okay. This doesn't work like a loop builder because I can't get to really design this stuff myself. If this had worked like a loop builder, I would have been massively blown away. So if you can improve this, and JetHost, I want to believe you guys will see this video. So there's a lot going on here. I'm super impressed. PageLayer, maybe it's the plugin we should be addressing. If you can have a loop builder function here to design what our blog page would look like by ourselves, it would have been crazy. Trust me. That would be crazy. I will not be surprised if this can do that, because this is my first attempt. I'm seeing a lot of things. I really would have to spend time looking at this before I can master everything here and know what's possible and what's not possible. Thumbnail style, we can get to customize our thumbnail from medium, large. We can do large in terms of the image, height ratio. We can increase that. You can see that. This is just good. We can do infinite scroll in case we want to. No more posts if that will be the last thing. Page link style, page link, read more style, something from here. content. I think this is good. This is good. This is impressive. Impressive. So that's it for our customizer services block. About pages, are the pages here, these are the templates here. So we can then now do the regular WordPress settings like the global, the colors. We can set our global colors from here. Super awesome. I'm impressed. JetHost, this is a good one. This has lots of potential. So in case you want to design yourself your WordPress website, you need a reliable host. I think before I end this, let's do this testing again for the website speed. Let's check it out. Let's copy this in a new tab. Let's paste this. Let's analyze this again. Okay, I think we have made progress from our mobile. What do we have before? We have 69 on mobile before. Now we are at 84 already. There's still a lot that we can improve on. You can see this. This is first contentful page is loading at 2.2, 3.8. We can bring this down to as low as less than 3 seconds, even on mobile. We can if we spend time here, because what I'm seeing there with that plugin is a lot, and I'm quite impressed. And you can see 99 here on web is super blazing on web. In less than 1 second, this is loading on web or desktop or whatever it is. That's good. If you're really looking to design yourself a WordPress website and you don't have lots of money to pay developers to design your website for you, JetHost might just be the right hosting for you, because with their AI website builder, it will help you build your WordPress website just like you see. And then you have access to premium of plugins that will help you optimize your WordPress website. You would be paying a ton if you were to buy plugins with this type of functionality, and you can see we can optimize our WordPress website. I will be spending more time on this, and hopefully you'll be seeing more tutorials on this channel around how to optimize your WordPress using JetHost. And that's my time for this tutorial. If you like this, if you like more tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section. And if you have used JetHost before and you have something to say about them, let's hear that in the comment section too as well. I'm super excited to hear that from you. I'll see you in those other tutorials. And until then, I'm signing out to go keep playing out with my new WordPress website to see what I can do with it. I'll see you in those new tutorials. Bye for now.